This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, December 14th. Stock index futures quickly advancing yesterday, including a new record high for the Dow Jones Stock Index futures due to the Federal Open Market Committee's policy statement and Fed Chair Powell's press conference. The Fed held rates unchanged as expected, but signaled that inflation had improved more rapidly than anticipated, which opens the door for interest rate cuts next year. Most Fed officials indicated that there could be as many as 3 rate reductions coming in 2024. However, officials were careful not to rule out higher interest rates in their policy statement. Also, we had Fed Chair Powell in the news conference saying no one is declaring victory. That would be premature. Jobless claims coming in at 202,000. That compares to the estimate of 223,000. And retail sales up 0.3% versus the estimate of down 0.1%. So nothing changing with what we're seeing in stock index futures. The fundamentals remain supportive, and the technicals also suggest follow-through gains are likely. Currency markets, the dollar index quickly declining to a 4-month low yesterday with the FOMC statement and Fed Chair Powell's press conference. So it does look like lower prices are likely for the US dollar index. Also, we had the European Central Bank in its policy meeting today, keeping rates unchanged as expected. The Bank of England keeping their bank rate unchanged as anticipated at a 15-year high. And the Swiss National Bank keeping their policy rate unchanged at 1.75%. In the interest rate futures markets, seeing higher prices yesterday with what happened with the Fed, follow-through gains today. So it does look like the trend is still higher for the interest rate futures markets across the board, and it does appear very likely that there will be interest rate cuts from the Fed next year and also from other central banks as well. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.